Do you do a lot of filming in your car and you need a quick way to quickly put your phone up so that it is steady and stays in place, but you want to move it around? You've got to get one of these. This is a suction. And I was just doing a quick video, so I thought it was a good time to show this. It works. You tighten and loosen it, and then it's got a little tab there to pull it off. So how it works is it's like a sticky suction cup on the bottom. And then you can see the directional arrows that show you to open and tighten. So you can tighten it into any position on any surface, really. I've used it on my kitchen counter. I've used it on the different surfaces in the car. Here's another surface you can put it right on the dashboard. Once it's tightened, it does not really move around, and then you just untighten it and you can easily pull it off. Nice and small. It can fit in your glove compartment or anywhere like that. It's got a super strong magnet to hold your phone as well. Love everything about this. This is an absolute great device for your car or in your kitchen. I've used it also on my bathroom mirrors to do some videos in my bathroom. It's a perfect, great little device for any content creators. It will make your stationary videos super quick and easy to do. You can fit it in anywhere that you can use this sticky suction, and it will hold in place. So highly recommend it.